Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing Rajbhog, for which I have given the ingredients list in the video itself, and I'll not be sharing with you all, so that you can just write it down and you can use ingredients as I'm using in the video. So let's start with our recipe. So over here in big pan I am boiling milk on low flame and we'll keep stirring it, otherwise milk will get burned from the bottom of the pan. And then once milk is boiled, adding in lemon juice little by little and waiting till it curdles up, adding in some more lemon juice and stirring it again. So now the milk is fully curdled up, and using a muslin cloth and a sieve will be now separating chena from the left out water, which is whey. And now we'll press it very nicely and then we'll wash it with cold water so that it can the sourness of lemon can be removed from it. Wash it very nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes from cold water, and then again we'll squeeze out the excess of water from it and we'll just press it very tightly so that we get the dry chena out of it. So once chena is out, taking it out on a plate, and we'll now knead it very nicely like a dough, adding in little bit of yellow food color. That's it. And about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour and suji. Here you go. And then kneading it very nicely for about 5 to 7 minutes. The kneading is very important. There should be no cracks when we make the balls. And over here in water, about 3 cups of water, I have added 1.5 cup of sugar. Here goes the rose water, and now we'll stir it continuously, and some saffron till a nice syrup becomes. We are not looking for one string consistency. We are just boiling and we are making the sugar syrup. And now making the balls for Rajbhog and putting in some dry fruits and rounding it up and giving it a nice shape. As you can see, we'll fill it with dry fruits. You can put any number of dry fruits that you want, but make sure that you make nice soft ball without cracks. And as you can see, I have made all the balls out of it for the Rajbhog. And over here the sugar syrup is boiled very nicely, putting the Rajbhog one by one in the boiling syrup, and we'll cover it with lid and you stir it very nicely, very softly. And if you think that sugar syrup has dried up or it has become very thick, you can actually add about half cup of water again into it, thereby making its consistency in a thin form. It should not be thick, otherwise Rajbhog will be broken down. So as you can see, I've added some water and they are ready. After 15-20 minutes of boiling Rajbhog in sugar syrup, they are ready. They are fluffy, they are really very soft, and as you can see, nice fluffy Rajbhog. And we'll take them out and let them cool down. So I'm breaking it for you just to show you how fluffy it is. Just see, I'm pressing it, and there you go. You can serve it once it is cooled down. So I really hope that you have liked this recipe. If you have, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. Enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.